Yo, what's up YouTube? So today I'm gonna talk about why you should cam your LS motor. I'm sitting in my car currently with no motor in it. It's cloudy, rainy, boring day. I have nothing else to talk about, so I figured why not convince you guys, or if you're watching this, why you should probably cam your LS motor. Because if you don't cam it, well, they tend to go bad anyway or mess up, and then if you do cam it, there's a good chance it blows up too. So why not do it before it actually blows up? You know, do it the fun way first. So basically, there's these cars out there. They cost about $60,000–$70,000 from the dealer with not that much power, and you know, people swear they're so fast and they can beat anything out there. Well, if you do the block right, or if you you know, put some money into it, you can beat them cars. And those cars might be part of the Mopar group. You know, some of them. I'm not saying all of them. There's some fast ones out there, especially on the track, but the ones that claim, you know, their $60,000 car can beat, you know, the little $20,000 junkyard motors. I don't know. There's a good chance we can beat them, or you will beat them. Just saying. But it's not really my main reason. I'm gonna start with like the actual reasons why. I had to put that in there. Number one reason. Well, if you haven't, you probably heard about the Dod Delete. That's all. When I first got my car, I had no clue what any of this crap was, and everybody kept saying, "Oh, Dod Delete it," and I'm like, "What is DOD?" Well, basically, GM decided to make it where there's this little sensor inside the motor where it cuts down the 4 cylinders while you're going down the highway. So it's supposed to save on gas and all that, which is smart, I guess, but they didn't realize it's the long-term effects. Some people, it happens at 100,000 miles, 150,000 miles. I've seen some get up to 200,000 miles, and then it starts. Basically, you get a lifter tick. GM put these piece of shit lifters in there that are like, it has a spring on them, some weird looking thing. And that's the main cause right there. That's like the main issue, is they don't hold up. And then they start to chip away at the cam, and it's an all-out mess after that. But it is kind of costly. So if you're gonna do the Dod Delete, you might as well just cam everything. Do brand new cam, lifters, oil pump, timing chain cover, all that stuff. I'll try to list it in the bio. I'll try to list it in the description. So for my number 2 reason is the cam. These bad boys here are pretty fancy. What they do is they wake the car up, it gives you that nice chopping sound. And for some reason, we just fantasize over it. I don't know what it is about that nice loop back there. That blip, 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 blip. It just sounds amazing. Like, I don't know, like, you straight pipe it. I like the mufflers off of mine. I don't really care for like that low tone. I like it really choppy. I don't know, that's just me. But yeah, you put one of these in, definitely wakes the car up. As far as different camshafts go, I don't know exactly what sizes are recommended. I suggest talking to your tuner. But you know, usually anything under stage 2 is like most reliable daily. Anything at stage 3 is pretty aggressive. It gets pretty bad. Not bad, but pretty, I would say pretty fun at that point. Which, going from that, if you want to build the bottom end, which I wish I kind of built the bottom end, because you can take this motor out, well, the motor that was in my car, and literally sell it for about $3,000 to $4,000, and then you can take that $3,000 to $4,000 and put down on a 408. I mean, even LS3s built are like $7,000. So typically, if you make 3 to 4 off of it, you can spend another 3 to 4 and get a brand new, freshly built motor, bottom end, forged, everything you need, and it should not blow up. So but you can do that as well. So that's another good reason why you should probably do that. And one thing that makes me mad is everybody kept saying, "Oh, you're gonna blow your car up," when I was just a stock bottom end LSA making about 700 horsepower. I should not have blown my car up. Like, I proved these people were right, and that's what makes me mad, because I shouldn't have done that. And there are several things that I could have did on my end that I feel like that could have prevented it, as far as just checking the car over, oil changes. I really should have took it back to get it retuned on it. The E85, it was cold out. Spark plugs. I mean, so many little things I probably could have did. And then like the shift, you know, like I shouldn't have ran my car that hard before that, because it was hitting the red limiter a little bit. And honestly, at the end of the day, I really think my car just revved out too much, like too many red limiter, and then it took a beat, and the bottom end couldn't handle that red line. So and then, you know, there's great power. So my situation was a little different, because I had the 6.0. There's so many different applications out there. There's LS1s, LS2s, LS3s, which LS2 is 6.0, LS3 is a 6.2. LS6. I don't even know what liters they are. Maybe, I think they're 602. I could be wrong. And the LS9s. You got LS7s, which is like the ultimate like motor everybody wants. It's 427. It's an amazing motor too. So, but everybody has a different application. 6.0. When I did the headers and everything, I didn't get a tune on it, but I think factory they're about 370 horsepower. When you do the headers and all that, it's about a 20-30 horsepower upgrade. So puts you right around 400, 410. And then when I did the cam and everything, I made 446 to the wheel with headers, cam, everything all together, which is probably around 490, almost under 500 horsepower, just about. But the car didn't feel that fast. I'm gonna be honest. I mean, it was fast, but like I don't know, maybe it was fast. I don't know, but right around 500 horsepower. Is what you're looking at if you do it right. And then the 6.2s, the SS's, or the GXP G8s, you know, you're probably gonna have a little bit more power than that, because LS2s typically usually have, I think, 415 horsepower off the factory. So there, once you figure out your power and what you want to do, and you know, whatever direction you're going, you can choose to get some more power out of that LS motor with some boost. So if you know, this is my LSA brick. This is no flex, by the way. I'm just trying to show it off, you know. Just trying to give you guys an idea of what it looks like. There's many different options out there. You can either go LSA, which is what that was. You can go Pro Charge, which isn't a bad setup at all. They sound pretty good. And the turbo life, I have no clue anything about turbos, honestly. A whole different scenario. That's the least thing I know about these cars. So LSA is a really simple setup, great power, easy to daily. I say Pro Charger is probably like the next simple daily setup. I don't know too many people that Pro Charge or daily their Pro Chargers, but again, I don't really know much about them either. But they do sound amazing, like that light off, that psh, psh, but then you get that. I don't know, something about that one on these blowers, man. I just love them. I can't believe I just made that noise, but that stuff's crazy, man. Like, I highly suggest going for some high boost. Or not high boost, but going for some boost once you get your motor situated, wakes the car up. But if you're all motor life, that's a whole different ball game too. Them guys are crazy. Kind of wrap all this up or top it off, like one of the other main reasons is the passion, the love, like everything behind the car. Either if you work on it yourself, you pay the shop to do it. Once you start that car up, like, it puts a smile on your face. Like, you know it's yours, you know this is what you wanted, you've been wanting this for so long. It's a great feeling. It pays off. I don't care how much money, how much time you spend, the extra work, the frustration. Like, there were so many times when I was like so pissed at this car. I never really cried, but I was hot, sweating, blood, worked, I was tired, and I was like, yeah, this better pay off. And then like when I made that 10-7 pass and all that, and just driving it, feeling it for the first time, it was worth it. Like, I would do that all over again. It does suck that I blew it up and, you know, spent all that money, but I really don't regret doing that. And if anything, it's helped me become like, I would say it's really helped me become a better person as far as like work ethic and just doing other things outside that you guys don't see. It's just, it makes me hustle more. It makes me want to go get it. It makes me want to wake up every morning, like knowing like I have to get this car back has like helped me a lot in life. So if y'all can hit that like and subscribe button, follow me on Instagram at wombat8. And if you comment down below if you think anything, like if you want to comment when your thoughts on this, like why you should build it or what your thoughts are, and if it's a waste of money or if you think it's definitely worth it, just let me know. So I will catch you on the next one. Peace.